Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we will delve into the details of SoundHound AI. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 3rd of June, 2025, and we are now here to provide you with a more comprehensive analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You won't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Leverage the power of AI to receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be construed as financial advice. Since the 27th of May, 2025, our system has identified SoundHound AI as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.57. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. Unfortunately, the stock has not met expectations, resulting in a loss of 10.7% thus far. This equates to an average daily loss of 1.78% since it was designated as a buy candidate. The stock is positioned within a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating a likelihood of further increases within this trend. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 11.41% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from negative 11.11% to 34.79%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 44.47%. Our calculations suggest that the stock's performance could fluctuate between 23.54% and 306.24% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price between $12.27 and $40.34. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI includes the headline: SoundHound AI Inc. stock price down 0.401% on Tuesday. The SoundHound AI Inc. stock price declined by 0.401% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 3rd of June, 2025. It has now decreased for 5 consecutive days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 6.05%, reaching a low of $9.84 and a high of $10.44. The price has dropped in 7 of the last 10 days and is down by 3.31% during this time frame. The trading volume increased on the last day by 6 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning sign, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next few days. In total, 26 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $256.65 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached was $24.98, and the lowest was $3.82. Currently, the price is 60.25% or $15.05 below the 52-week high of $24.98, which also marks the all-time high for the stock. SoundHound AI, trading under the symbol SOUN, has recently garnered significant attention, establishing itself as a notable player in the rapidly growing artificial intelligence sector. Through partnerships such as its collaboration with Alina Health, which has introduced an AI-powered patient engagement agent named Ali, SOUN is utilizing its advanced voice recognition technology to enhance operational efficiencies within the healthcare industry. This strategic initiative not only elevates SoundHound's market visibility, but also taps into a substantial addressable market, enhancing its potential for strong revenue growth. Analysts have expressed mixed sentiments regarding SOUN's investment attractiveness. While the company's rapid revenue growth and high-profile collaborations appear promising, some predictions suggest that immediate success in the stock market may be unlikely. Certain evaluations indicate that the stock is currently receiving heightened attention. However, investors are advised to proceed with caution. In the short term, fluctuations in investor sentiment could result in volatility in SOUN's stock price. Positive developments surrounding its technological advancements and partnerships may generate interest and foster upward momentum. Conversely, prevailing skepticism about its long-term trajectory, particularly in light of increasing competition in the AI field, may temper gains or even lead to a decline. In the long term, SoundHound's focus on expanding its customer base in key sectors such as automotive and healthcare, along with ongoing technological enhancements, may position it for sustained growth. If the company successfully transitions to positive adjusted earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization as projected, it could attract additional investors, significantly improving its stock price potential. Ultimately, the current dynamics surrounding SOUN reveal both opportunities and risks for investors monitoring this evolving segment of the technology market. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 18th of September, 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN an underperform grade along with a hold action. On the same day, it was also reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN a buy grade with a hold action. Additionally, on that Wednesday, H.C. Wainwright again assigned SOUN a buy grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August, 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN an outperform grade with a hold action. On the same day, Cantor Fitzgerald assigned SOUN an overweight grade with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also rate the stock as strong sell. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. A sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Tuesday, May 27, 2025, and so far the stock has fallen by 10.7%. Further declines are indicated until a new bottom pivot is found. Additionally, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MAC. Volume increased on falling prices yesterday, which may serve as an early warning, indicating that the stock should be monitored more closely. Some positive signals have also been issued, which could influence short-term developments. The SoundHound AI Incorporated stock holds a sell signal from the short-term moving average. However, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Since the short-term average is above the long-term average, there is a general buy signal for the stock, suggesting a positive outlook. With further gains, the stock will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $10.32. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find support from the long-term average at approximately $9.61. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will result in a sell signal. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, sell signal. Pivots, sell signal, 6 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal, 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, buy signal, 29 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal, 26 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, sell signal, 4 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal, 76 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal, 62 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI, Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $9.74. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. This stock tends to experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. The prediction interval from the Bollinger Band suggests that this stock is considered to be high risk. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $0.59 between its high and low, which is an increase of 6.05%. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 6.67%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even established firms can go through tough periods, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest inadequate profit and could raise concerns about the risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the upcoming earnings report for the second quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 14th of August, 2025, analysts are projecting consensus estimates at -6 cents. It's important to monitor these figures, as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In case of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $11.01. If you don't own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI encounters its first support level at $9.74. If this support level holds, it could be a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from multiple analyst sources is a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 23rd of May, 2025, Shroka Diana executed an insider purchase of 17,899 shares of Class A common stock. On the same day, Marcus Lawrence also conducted an insider purchase of 17,899 shares of Class A common stock. Again, on the 23rd of May, 2025, Ball Eric R. made an insider purchase of 17,899 shares of Class A common stock. On the 14th of May, 2025, Stonehawker Timothy executed an insider sale of 44,157 shares of Class A common stock. On the 12th of May, 2025, Hom James Ming conducted an insider sale of 3,815 shares of Class A common stock. Based on the most recent 100 insider trades, we have determined that the insider cover is negative, with a ratio of -10.148. In total, insiders purchased 6,364,888 shares and sold 6,685,217 shares in the last 100 trades. Our recommended stop loss is set at $9.41, reflecting a decrease of 5.22%. This stock exhibits significant daily fluctuations, which introduces a higher level of risk. Additionally, a sell signal has emerged from a pivot top identified 5 days ago. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? Several indicators suggest a negative trend, which we believe will impact the development over the coming days and possibly weeks. However, we think that the current level presents a potential buying opportunity, and that the price may rise during or by the end of this 3-month period. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 4th of June, we expect SoundHound AI to open higher by approximately 13.8 cents, starting at $10.07. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor prior to purchasing or selling any securities. Your investment decisions should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day, with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.